The Clarke CWL325V 13-inch mini wood lathe with electronic variable speed is ideal for woodworking enthusiasts and hobbyists. Ideally suited to facing, turning, drilling, boring and threading, the CWL325V has a high-quality cast iron bed which provides stability and reduces vibration. It is the ideal lathe for small wood turning projects, such as pen turning, and the instant variable speed means that there's no manual belt changing. Instead, a simple rotary control varies the speed from 890 to 3190 RPM. With a distance between centers of 325 mm, the CWL325V is supplied with a 170 mm faceplate and a 110 mm tool rest. Both the tool rest and tailstock can be released, positioned and locked with ease using the quick release levers. The tailstock taper is the commonly used 1MT, enabling a wide range of optional accessories to be used, like this Clarke 2-inch mini chuck set, which includes a micro chuck, round jaw set, step jaw set, extended pin jaw set, large diameter jaw set, and a screw chuck. With a turning capacity of 200 mm by 325 mm, the CWL325V will satisfy your small turning needs for many years to come.